and welcome to our channel Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we're going to show you how to turn a small space into a lush and thriving garden. Whether you live in an apartment, have a small balcony, or a tiny backyard, you can create a beautiful and productive garden with just a few simple steps. A small space garden refers to a garden that is created in a limited or compact area, such as a small balcony, patio, or apartment. It involves designing, planting, and maintaining a garden in a limited area using space-saving techniques and compact plants to create a thriving and beautiful garden in a small space. Here are these 10 reasons why we should have a garden in our home even in small space area. 1. Improved mental health. Gardening provides a sense of relaxation and can help reduce stress and anxiety. 2. Fresh produce. Having a garden, even a small one, means having access to fresh, organic fruits and vegetables. 3. Increased property value. A well-maintained garden can increase the value of your property. 4. Sustainability. Growing your own food helps reduce your carbon footprint and supports sustainable living. 5. Improved air quality. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and other pollutants from the air, making your environment cleaner and healthier. 6. Wildlife habitat. A small garden can provide food and shelter for wildlife, including birds and beneficial insects. 7. Connecting with nature. Spending time in a garden helps connect you with nature, promoting a healthy and balanced lifestyle. 8. Opportunities for creativity. Gardening provides opportunities for creativity, whether it's selecting plants, designing the garden, or creating unique containers and garden accents. 9. Exercise. Gardening can provide physical exercise and promote a healthy lifestyle. 10. A sense of accomplishment. Gardening can be a fulfilling and satisfying hobby that provides a sense of accomplishment. You can follow these simple steps to start your own small space garden. Step 1 is planning. Before you start planting, it's important to plan out your garden space. Consider the amount of sunlight your area receives, what kind of plants you'd like to grow, and the type of soil or containers you'll be using. Once you have a plan, you're ready to start gardening. Step 2 is choose your plants. When selecting plants, consider their size, growth habit, and light requirements. Opt for smaller and compact plants, or those that can be trained to grow vertically, such as herbs, vegetables, or trailing flowering plants. You can also use containers, hanging baskets, or wall-mounted planters to maximize your space. Step 3 is preparing your garden space. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. Preparing your garden space involves digging the soil, adding compost, and making sure your containers have proper drainage. When planting, be mindful of the root system of your plants and make sure they have enough room to grow. Step 4 is maintaining your garden. Maintaining a garden takes effort, but it can be a rewarding and relaxing experience. Water your plants regularly, prune them to keep them healthy, and make sure to remove any dead or yellowing leaves. Fertilizing your plants will also help them thrive. For the start, you can try this 10 most popular and easy tips ideas for small space garden. 1. Vertical gardening. Use walls, fences, and trellises to grow climbing plants and vegetables. 2. Container gardening. Use pots, planters, and containers to grow a variety of plants, from herbs to flowers. 3. Raised beds. Construct raised beds to grow vegetables and plants in a compact and controlled environment. 4. Choose compact plants. Look for plants that grow compactly and have a small root system to save space. 5. Use hanging baskets. Hanging baskets can be used to grow plants vertically, freeing up valuable floor space. 6. Opt for multifunctional plants. Choose plants that have multiple uses, such as herbs that can be used for cooking and as a decorative element. 7. Invest in a good watering system. Use a drip irrigation system to conserve water and avoid overwatering. 8. Plan your garden layout. Map out the garden area and plan the placement of your plants to maximize space and ensure optimal growing conditions. 9. Incorporate lighting. Use grow lights or natural light sources to extend the growing season and provide additional light for your plants. 10. Make use of vertical space. Use shelves, stacking pots, or tiered planters to maximize vertical space and create a layered look in your garden. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own small space garden. With a little bit of planning, the right plants, and some regular maintenance, you can transform your small space into a beautiful and productive garden. Happy gardening! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor and Designs, for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!